Let's make commercial fish rolls with baking powder and not yeast. Let's see how it goes. Come with me. So we are going to be starting with our sauce. You know how I love my sauce, very easy and delicious. So I'll be sharing my secret ingredients in this one because I promised to do that. So you've seen it already, just that you don't know that's my secret ingredient. If I don't tell you, you ain't gonna know. So one thing that I usually add to my sauce that makes people asking for more, like Oliver, is garlic. I don't know how it does it, but garlic has a way of making your sauce, your food. It has a way of making you ask for more, crave for more. I believe that looking at the video, you can see everything that goes into that pan, into that pot. Nothing serious. If you're wondering what the blended veggies are, it's just red bell peppers, okay? Nothing serious. You can make use of your tomatoes and other things. So let's make our dough. In this bowl, we have 6 cups of flour, and we just added in half cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 heapful tablespoons of baking powder. Honestly guys, I was nervous because this particular recipe that I'm making right now, it will be best for baking if you ask me. I've never done this before, I've never done it before. So if you want to know, if you want to hear my honest review, my honest opinion about making your commercial fish rolls, stay till the end. Stay with me. I'm going to tell you what I think, because this is not just about making a good video and all of that. I don't want you to get disappointed, okay? And about the water, you saw how careful I was adding in my water little by little. You wouldn't like to add in excess water. Please pardon the background noises because actually I'm making this video around 4 a.m. and everywhere is so quiet, so any single movement is going to make a very cluttering noise. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm whispering because I'm currently making this video late at night. I'm currently making this voiceover late at night. So, and to those who have been following this 30-day movement with me, this is me saying I'm sorry. Apologies. I'm so sorry for not uploading early today. Actually, I'm still editing this video at 11:25 p.m. and I hope to upload it before 12. I want to upload it before today runs out. I'm so sorry. I overslept, and especially today that I have to wake up too early. I have to wake up before 4 and make this recipe because they need it around 7-8 a.m. like the people I'm supplying to. So, and I'm also meant to be at the farm around that 8. So I woke up very early, and I think my body reacted to the whole stress and I slept off, and this is me waking up. So back to the recipe. Let me not talk much about myself. Back to the recipe. This one, just like I promised to give you guys my review, this one, if you ask me, is best for baking, honestly. And this is why I say this is best for baking. First of all, the style, like the what do you call it? The rolling style. You see the way I'm rolling it? And even though you pinch the both edge, once you make a cut, because you have to cut in between, it's going to expose those feelings inside. And pinching, like trying to pinch the tips, the ends after cutting, it's not going to give you it's not going to give you that vibes. Like, it's not just going to look so great when you try it. You can actually try it yourself and see what I'm saying. But you can be what do you call it, innovative about it. Maybe use something to press it down stylishly like a pie, but it's meant to be a roll, fish roll, not fish pie. And if you're wondering why I'm cutting it this way, I'm actually cutting and rolling it this way because it's a commercial recipe. If I start using the style that I used at first to roll it, number one, it will be time consuming. The time I used to make about 4 of that fish roll, I'm going to spend it on just 1 or 2. So yeah, it saves time. That's one of the advantages. But about the efficiency and all of that, honestly, I don't know, even though it came out nice. But I don't think I will like to try this again. I would rather bake this recipe than fry it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you like to try this yourself? Would you like to see for yourself? Would you like to fry it? Would you like to bake it? See you on the next one. Bye.